Welcome to our full guide on Bannerlord. Today, we're diving into the essential aspects of building the ultimate caravanserai. Let's explore how this vital structure can enhance your trade. First off, what exactly is a caravanserai? These are essential hubs for trading, where goods are exchanged, and weary travelers can rest and recuperate. Let's look at their unique benefits. Choosing the right location for your caravanserai is crucial. Look for areas near trade routes with ample resources and accessibility. Let's discuss what to consider. Now, let's gather the essential resources. You'll need wood, stone, and food to construct and maintain your caravanserai. Here's how to acquire them effectively. Let's dive into the step-by-step building process. From laying the foundation to the final touches, I'll guide you through the entire construction. Upgrading your caravanserai is key to maximum efficiency. Learn what upgrades you can implement for better performance and increased trade opportunities. Managing trade routes effectively can boost your profits. Here are strategic tips on how to optimize your caravans and the routes they take. Defending your caravanserai against bandit raids is crucial. Let's explore some effective defense strategies to keep your wealth safe. Maximizing profit is the ultimate goal. Discover tips to capitalize on trade opportunities and make your caravanserai a hub of commerce. And that wraps up our guide. With these tips, you're now equipped to build the ultimate caravanserai. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!